The Lion and the Parrot Story. Once, in a dense forest, a mighty lion ruled with fear. Animals avoided him except for a wise parrot who dared to visit the lion daily. "Why do you come here?" asked the lion one day. "I admire your strength, but strength with kindness is greater," replied the parrot. The lion scoffed but allowed the parrot to stay. Over time, the lion began listening to the parrot's words. One day, a thorn pierced the lion's paw. Despite his strength, he couldn't remove it. The parrot called for help, and a deer carefully pulled it out. The lion realized kindness brought him allies. He vowed to be just and gentle, earning the respect of all animals. Moral: strength is admirable, but kindness earns true respect. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.